One morning, after a massive storm, an old man walked along a beach that was covered with thousands of starfish washed ashore. The tide had gone out, leaving the starfish stranded under the scorching sun. As the man strolled along the shoreline, he noticed a young boy moving quickly, picking up starfish one by one and tossing them gently back into the ocean. The boy worked tirelessly, his small hands throwing starfish into the water as fast as he could. Curious, the old man walked up to the boy and asked, "What are you doing?" Without stopping, the boy replied, "I'm saving the starfish. If they stay on the shore too long, they'll die under the sun." The old man looked around at the countless starfish scattered along the shore and shook his head. "But there are thousands of them. You can't possibly save them all. What difference does it make?" The boy paused for a moment, then bent down, picked up another starfish, and threw it into the waves. He looked up at the old man and smiled. It made a difference to that one. The old man stood in silence, watching the boy's determination. Then slowly, he bent down, picked up a starfish, and threw it into the ocean, inspired by their actions. More people walking along the beach joined in. Soon, a small group of strangers was working together, throwing as many starfish as they could back into the water. Though they couldn't save them all, they made a difference, one starfish at a time.